Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. I know you're like, why we're in front of this cabinet? Guys, today's video is actually going to be my soap collection video. And yeah, my soaps are all in here. Let's get started with the collection. The first one I have here, this is the Hawaii Coconut Colada. I love this. My job loves this in the bathroom, so I definitely make sure I have them on hand. I actually have 3 of them at work right now that need to go in the bathrooms, and of course I'm not there to put them in. This is one of the new ones. This is Pink Peach Blossom. Looks just like that. I have Girlfriend. She looks like that. I have Maui Mango Mai Tai. I have a pumpkin apple. I love the packaging of pumpkin apple. Vampire blood. I have sunshine and lemons. So pretty. I have Spells Divine. I actually have one in the little kids' bathroom right now. They are using that one currently. I have Cotton and Fresa. I have Fresh Sparkling Snow in last year's packaging that they had at the $2 Holo Rack. I have a Perfect Pumpkin, and it looks just like that. I have Halloween. Harvest Gathering. Try to make sure you can see everything so it's not too blurry. I have Stay Magical. And I just got it because of the unicorn on it. That's the only main reason. We have White Jasmine. Love the packaging of White Jasmine. I love the packaging so much that I own 2. We have Candy Corn. I love last year's packaging better though, but this one's cute. Last year Toasted Vanilla and Chai, but I got this on the $2 Holo Rack this year. If it'll zoom in, yep, that's what it looks like. I just moved some of these soaps up so I can get to them because they were all the way back there. And the crazy thing is back there, I have 2 candles and 2 body care items. I have no idea why. But we have Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast looks just like that. Really pretty. I love the White Barn, just nice, sleek packaging. Vanilla Birch, and this is in the White Barn packaging. It's the new one. Which one is this? This is one of the new ones too. This is Winter Citrus Wreath, and I absolutely love this one. And the packaging is really cute. I have a Coconut Pumpkin Latte, because I love Coconut Pumpkin Latte. Thought I bought 2, but I guess not. I don't know. We'll see. We got another Maui Mango Mai Tai. We have another Winter Citrus Wreath. Here it is, Coconut Pumpkin Latte. Spells Divine, my 3rd one. Y'all remember these ones? Lavender Marshmallow. Yes, I have 1 left of this. I have Moonlight Orchid. And I have Be Positive. So that's everything at the bottom. Like I said, there's 2 candles in there. I'll zoom in so you can see it. Pumpkin Peanut Brittle from last year and the American flag one. Those need to actually go back in the laundry room. And there's 2 body care items that shouldn't be in there, so those are gonna have to go back too. But you see that top row up there, y'all? Oh my goodness. Let's bring the top row down. Bring the top row down bit by bit because there's quite a bit up there. The first one is Crisp Morning Air. Looks just like that. Really pretty packaging. We have New York City. I love this one. And I wish I got more because they had it on $2 holla and they went so quick. And I didn't get a lot because I thought they weren't going to sell out. But I was wrong. Cilantro Peach. Smells really good. I got a flannel. Love just the plain packaging on this one from White Barn. A Sweater Weather or Sweater Weather. Absolutely love this one. So I had to pick up at least one. Got Strawberry Tart. Really pretty. I got Happy Easter. I refuse to open this Happy Easter because it's the cotton candy. And y'all, this came out, I think, last year or the year before. And I just refuse to open it. Like, it is unopened. It is sealed. And I'm not going to open it. I'm just not. I'm not going to open it. And guys, I'm not giving scent notes because these are way too many soaps to do scent notes. Like, seriously. Like, y'all know. I got a Key Lime Biscotti. So good. I got another Hawaii coconut colada. I got another Moonlight Orchid. So pretty. So I have a Sweater Weather, sorry. I call it Sweater Weather. Leave me alone, okay? This one's open. I was going to use it, but I didn't choose to use it just yet. But I have two of them, but that's the one I'm going to use next. A Sunwash Citrus. Looks just like that. Candy corn. I love last year's packaging, so I am just going to be holding on to this for collectors because I just thought it was really cute. So I like that one better. A Cactus Blossom. I got this for the summer for next year. I love the White Barn packaging, nice and sleek, not a lot going on. Spiced Apple Toddy. It was on a $2 holla, so of course I had to pick this one up. Another flannel. Can you say I'm obsessed with flannel? So another flannel with the White Barn packaging. Blackberry Lavender. It's really cute. Love the packaging because it's black and again it's White Barn, nice and sleek. We have Endless Weekend, which smells so good. And there's one more over here. This is the Citrus Sugar Cookie, which makes no sense to fall, but it is what it is. Now let's grab some up. We have the Raspberry Tangerine. Love the Raspberry Tangerine. It is so good. I got a Georgia Peach that I got off the $2 holla. I have your Magical Milkshake, Unicorn Milkshake. It is so good. So, of course, I have more than one. I have two of those. I have the Banana Flower. I have Cranberry Peach. I have Nectar Sun Tea. This is amazing. And I have it in a pocket back in my car right now. It is so good. Another Coconut Colada off the $2 holla. Here's the last of it. I'm going to start off with the Blackberry Garden. Blackberry Garden smells so good. I love the packaging again. White Barn comes through with that nice sleek packaging. Another White Barn Champagne Toast. Raspberry Rose. Love Raspberry Rose. Oops. And this is actually my last one, and it's from Bath and Body Works. So I'm going to be holding on for dear life to this one. Which, please, holding on to this for sentimental value. It has been used a little bit, but only a little bit's allowed to be used a year because I love the packaging. Which, please, your dynamite. I have one left of these. The kids actually had another one they used up already earlier in the year. Sorry if it's not coming in as clear as I want, but y'all seen it 1,000 times. Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast. We all know I love champagne toast. We have 3 remaining. Another coconut colada. Then we have cranberry peach. And the last one is cherry chill. Love the packaging on cherry chill from last year. And we have one holder, and this is the one I'm going to be using all the time in the winter. He's so cute, y'all. He's a little bear. He's a polar bear, and he's full of glitter, and he's really pretty. And the price on him was only $14.50, but I had like a 10 off 30, so I bought soaps and then bought him, so I got him at a discount price, and he's just super cute. So you put foam and hand soap in there, any foam and hand soap you want, and you use him in the winter. And guys, this is what it looks like, the cabinet, after I actually reorganized everything. You see I have room finally over here. So no, I'm not going to fill it with more soaps. When the next set of soaps come out, which are the winter ones, I'm only going to allow myself 6. So that means I have to finish up 6 from over here before I can get them, or maybe get the 6 but have to gift 6 because I don't want this whole down area to be consumed with Bath and Body Works soaps. Like, guys, this is a lot of soaps as it is, like a lot of soaps, like a lot. It's kind of embarrassing that I own so many soaps. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hey, welcome over. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you know when I upload a Bath and Body Works video, or any video in general. Y'all, I have 3 makeup videos that just came out. Definitely, if you have not checked them out, go check them out, because beauty is not just Bath and Body Works, it comes in the makeup form too. So definitely check those videos out. And I'm just so happy that I was able to clear up and have some space, because I do have some new things that need to go in here, like my air fryer and stuff. So I'm so happy I now have the space. But I won't be getting too out of hand with soaps anymore. I did go a little ham this fall, but the obsession has stopped. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.